Here we have the frozen Sushi Grade Tuna from Phillips. This is my favorite seafood brand. Their quality is very good. But for the recipe, I already have some thought out right here. It's just all nice. For our sauce slash quick marinade, I'm gonna be using Thai fish sauce. I'm gonna be using some Yuzu Ponzu sauce. I'm going to be using a lime and ginger and scallions. I'm gonna throw an avocado in there. It's time to dice our sushi grade tuna. So with a very sharp knife, I like to go with a sushi knife. Just slice down. Now there's two ways you can peel ginger, so I'm going to show you both. So first, with a piece like this, you're going to cut it in half. Now, to practice your knife skills, I like to take the knife and peel it just like that, almost like an apple. Takes practice, but after a few tries, you'll get it. Okay, so just make sure you don't have any loose pieces. So you end up with a piece like that. The second way, so you see these knobs, of course you want to take them off. You have a smooth surface to work with, but you can take your knife and scrape the skin like that. You can also use a spoon. I prefer the other way, but this way works. And here at the edges, you might have to cut it like this, but the scrape method works. And you have a beautiful piece of ginger. So both our pieces are good. Now we're going to grate some ginger. This is good, just scrape that in. we're gonna add some fish sauce. Then we're gonna add the Ponzu sauce. You want to gently mix in your ingredients. I'm actually going to put this in the fridge while we make the rice paper cups. Right now I have the oil on the stove heating up. But first I'm going to show you how to cut these. I like to cut them in fours. I like to use a pizza cutter. So you just go down the center. Just make sure you get a good cut. And you can fold it in half. A little off. But for this recipe, it's still gonna work. So you take your half and you go another half. So you fold and you break into these little pieces. I'm gonna do the same with this one. Fold. Any pieces you don't want, you can just discard. That's it. You're gonna have pieces that look like that. Our oil is ready. First piece is gonna go in. Take it out. You throw the next one in.